Okay, here we go, guys. This is Boat476, and he's gonna make an egg explode. I'll put it on for 20. We'll try it first. Okay, ready? It's gonna go. Just wait, just wait. Wait, okay, 20 seconds didn't do it. Okay, let's put it on for another. Okay, here we go. Should go this time.
Are you a big witch? That's okay.
It still didn't go? Okay, let's put it on for 40 seconds. A sec. Okay, it's gonna go this time, guys.
Owen,
Quiet. Watch.
is the bicycle?
Yes, watch the microwave. You wanna see it explode? Watch. Okay, here we go, guys.
Is it cracking?
It's gonna blow up here soon. There it goes! It blew!